Here we come to the main elevators at the Red Hat parking garage in downtown Raleigh, North Carolina. As you look over there, you can barely see City Center parking deck over there with the Dover elevator right next door that I just filmed. These are Schindler 500A as well. You got this one right here. It's got a different cab. I mean, a different cab color, unlike the side elevator with a single side door. Schindler. G. This one doesn't serve P2 and P7. I think somebody called downstairs, so I think this elevator might take off. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and call the other elevator car. Oh, what do you know? No wonder why it chimed. Alright, let's call the other one. All right, here it is. Sensor barely works. It's just like the other one. Oh, it didn't chime. I'm gonna sample the chime. Actually, I'm gonna go down to P5 and then I'm gonna sample the chime, and then after that, I'll take the other elevator car and end it upstairs. Love that chime. Alright, we're going to call the other one going up. And then we'll get off at P6, where I started. Alright, here it is. The legendary Schindler 500A traction elevators. Let's see if it'll chime. Oh no, it didn't. I'm gonna make it chime. Listen. All right. There it goes. And that's it.